Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the right tools and protecting the watch: a spring bar tool or small flathead, a soft cloth, and spare bars. Place the watch face down on the cloth so the crystal stays safe. Use the tool to compress the spring bar inward at one lug and gently pivot it out of its hole. You'll feel the tension release. Once freed, pull the strap away. Do the same on the opposite lug, keeping parts organized so you don't lose tiny spring bars. You now fit the new strap by inserting the spring bar into the strap's loop and aligning one end into the lug hole so it seats securely. Once one side is set, compress the opposite end with the tool and steer the bar tip into the lug recess. You should hear or feel a click when it snaps in. Make sure the strap's orientation is correct. The buckle typically goes at 12 o'clock on the watch face, and that the strap sits evenly between lugs. Finish by pressing each lug area to confirm the spring bars are fully engaged and the strap does not shift. You want a solid click and no sideways play. Fasten the watch and move your wrist through normal motions to test retention and comfort. Make sure it won't snag. If you detect looseness or one side pops out, remove the strap and inspect the bars for bending or wear. Replace them and reseat carefully. If problems persist, try a slightly thicker spring bar or visit a watchmaker.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.